Hello. Today I'll be demonstrating how Alexa Translation's AI integrates into a CAT tool. CAT stands for Computer Assisted Translation, which is different from a machine translation tool. Translators have been using CAT tools for decades to help store translation data all in one place, remain consistent with terminology, and improve their efficiency. We will be using MemSource for this demonstration. However, the AI can be integrated into other CAT tools as well. So you can see on the screen here, we have our file and we have some translation memories linked to the project. So first thing I'm going to do is show you an analysis of the file. And this will tell us approximately what we're working with in terms of the word count of the file, if there are any repetitions, and if we have any high matches that we can use. That takes no time. Okay, so you can see we have the total word count of the file. We have some repetitions that are within the document, and we also have some high fuzzy matches. So TMs, or a translation memory, can give you exact matches or fuzzy matches, and this can help tell you how efficient you can be, how much time the translators will need to do something, based on if you have a lot of context matches or a lot of exact matches. You can usually cut down on the time you need for something. But here we don't have much. But let's open the file just to see what it looks like. I'll do a pre-translation. And for now, we'll just do it with the translation memory. And we'll uncheck machine. And you can set your threshold to anything you want, but we like to keep it around 70% just to make sure the matches are relevant to what you're working with. So that'll take just a second to do. You can see it's working. Okay, let's open the file. And this is where the translators will be working directly when they're working in the cloud MemSource. Okay, so you can see that we don't have too much here in terms of TM matches, just have a few words. There's a few more. So in this case, a lot of the other segments in the file are blank. And in a normal project without machine translation, the linguist would be working on all of these segments from scratch, doing research, looking at past files if they have them. So that can consume a lot of time, depending on the complexity of the file. So now let's go back to the page and we'll do another pre-translation. And this time we'll include the machine translation. The Alexa Translation's AI has been trained using data from thousands of legal and financial and securities documents, including from CDAR and live projects at Alexa. And the feedback was given using real human linguists. So the machine not only has a vast portfolio of reference material, but also the technology to apply translations that are consistently high quality. Okay, so this is now finished. Let's open up and see what we have. Okay, so now you can see that every other segment that was blank now has a machine translation suggestion. And that's the operative word. The linguist can modify these suggestions however they want, because it can still make mistakes, but the point of the machine translation is that it gives you a high quality starting point to be able to work more efficiently and save time on the entire process. So once the translator finishes with this, they would go through and confirm all of these segments one at a time. If you're done with everything, you can also select all segments and confirm this way. So now that we have all of our segments confirmed here, we can actually download the completed file by going right here. Okay, so that'll be opened. And you can see here we previously downloaded the source document over here. And you can see that the translation has been replaced in basically the exact same formatting as the source document had. So there would be just a few things to fix in terms of the formatting, but you already have a good starting point. Just need to do some quick checks. So there you have it. That is how machine translation works with your CAT tool.